Okay, TikTok, AI has already taken over. I'm convinced this 4 million channel is AI. Watch.
100 grams of heavy cream. Then you're going to add these slices of bread in a mold. And you just want to finish with all of your slices and then add slices of cheddar cheese.
Here's another one.
Potatoes with meat in a pan, an easy, economical, and absolutely delicious recipe. To start this recipe, I've already peeled these potatoes. And
Like, doesn't her voice sound robotic?
Start by adding 340 grams of tomato sauce. Then you're going to add 500 grams of sausage.
And I'm cutting. In doubt what to make for lunch, make this delicious stuffed chicken.
There's so many examples, but I think they go through two different voices.
Inside, I'm going to add a piece of cheese. Now you want to fold this ham very carefully around the cheese, just like this.
And some of their videos have millions of views. I just found it was very interesting that
I put aluminum foil in the middle of a chicken breast, and it surprised everyone. So using a knife, I'm just going to cut down the middle of this chicken breast, just like this.
It's so prominent, basically.
Okay, cooks, set aside some spices to season your chicken. You're going to need turmeric, some hot paprika, a little garlic powder, and salt.
But let me know what you
Mix
think.
the ingredients.
Do they sound real?
Add 2 cartons of condensed milk into a bowl. I've already added 4 eggs.
What do you think, TikTok? Firstly, are they real people or not? Because it sounds like somebody hired like a random person to go through these recipes and film them, and then afterwards they write the script and have a robot say the script. And if they are real or if they aren't real, can you tell there are 2 voices that they're using? So there's either 2 narrators that are constantly there, or it's 2 robotic voices. The reason why I feel like it sounds robotic is because just the way that it's spoken, it is so perfect. Like when I talk, even when I try to enunciate, I can't speak as clearly as those women in the video. I've also seen a prominence in another very common voice. It's a guy, okay? And the guy's voice is kind of raspy. I'll try to do an impression of him right now. This is the AI voice that I always hear. This AI voice is always talking about some interesting facts that either you never seen before or is also giving life advice. Like if you want to lose weight or like if you want to get it over. Like I also hear that AI voice becoming more and more common as well. Like, am I tripping here? Am I in the Twilight Zone, or is this something that's actually happening to content right now?